Shift project is one of the many but specific projects that comes from the European Union, and this specificity is related to the fact that it is sustainable in nature, but this sustainability is related to the higher education institutions. And why is it specific today? Because of the fact that higher education institutions today are the creators and disseminators of knowledge, but not any knowledge. It is specific knowledge that has to be sustainable in its nature. But when you talk about sustainability, people mainly focus on the fact that it is related to the environmental protection. This is the right approach because of the fact that most of the historical approaches are mainly focused on the environmental protection. But today we have so many specific sustainable problems that are also specific in social nature, also specific to the corporative nature. And because of that, we have ESG, environmental, social and governance protection. And when we focus these approaches to the higher education institutions, we are prepared to make specific knowledge and prepare our students, key stakeholders, with sustainable expertise in human capital that will help to boost sustainable approaches and decision making. And in nature, it will lead to the more sustainable higher education institutions that will produce so much better knowledge, expertise and final products that are related not just with the sustainability per se, but with the sustainable development goals defined by United Nations. And this is why Belgrade Metropolitan University is one of the participants in the SHIFT project. And the main task of the Belgrade Metropolitan University was to create specific metrics. It is ESG metrics that contains 100 specific sustainable approaches, 100 specific measurement approaches, positive and negative impacts of such decisions, and risk methodology, which is related to the measuring, will something negative or positive happen, what are the consequences of such activity, what are the possible costs of such. And this matrix is accepted by the other partners from the European Union, and it is used for creating specific learning materials, training materials, for gamification, and finally it will be used for the creation of the specific ESG platform that will be used from Europe, but I hope from the partners in the entire world.
Within the framework of the Erasmus Plus SHIFT project, consortium partners launched their collaboration with a kick-off meeting hosted by Linnaeus University in the Vaxio from Sweden, which officially marked the start of the project and the beginning of the joint work on its objectives. Following the initial meeting, after 1 year, Belgrade Metropolitan University hosted a consortium meeting in Belgrade, providing an opportunity to review earlier progress, align ongoing activities and strengthen cooperation among partners. The most recent meeting was hosted by the University of Łódź in Poland, where a discussion focused on the next implementation steps and further development of the project outputs related to ESG training and awareness. Looking ahead, the project will focus on the final adjustments and validation of the SHIFT digital platform developed with the project, ensuring its usability, accessibility and alignment with the project objectives. Particular emphasizing will be placed on the promotion and dissemination of the platform, as well as on the rising awareness of the educational game and the ESG metrics developed as key project outputs. These activities will be supported through coordination, communication efforts across partner institutions, targeting students, educators, and other relevant stakeholders, with the aim of maximizing the project impact and long-term sustainability.